Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a board description on Pinterest. So for whatever boards that you may create, whether it's a new board or it's an existing board that you have, if you want to add a description that you have not added yet, or you want to edit a description for a board that you've already created, then it's the same steps that you need to take. So click your profile on the upper right hand side. Once you're on Pinterest, find the board that you want to add the description for. I'm going to take, for example, this food one here. I love food. Click the pencil icon in the lower right hand side to edit it. And here you'll find a description section. This is where you can do whatever description you want to add for the board. So I'm going to just simply add a quick description here. So I basically had a description, foods that I love and want to eat one day. Let's say that's my description. And once you go ahead and add the description, just go ahead and click on done. And that's it. This board now have a description. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.